Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to send a spoiled text or how to spoiler a text on Discord mobile. So let's jump right into it. First we open Discord and then make sure that you are in the chat that you want to send a spoiler text in. Now from here I'm going to send a normal message first to show you that I'm not having anything on other than the normal app. After that, go ahead and search for this symbol right here. Put two of that at the beginning of the text. Type in the text that you want to spoiler. After that, go ahead and put two of that symbol at the end and tap on send. And as you can see, there is a spoiler on the text. Now I'm going to send another text. Again, go ahead and put two of that symbol at the beginning and then type whatever text you want to type and add two of that at the end and tap on send, and nobody can see those messages unless they touch the text and they will appear to them. And that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Also subscribe for future videos and see you on the next one.